Hey there! Today I'm going to dive into the topic of how to exhibit your art locally, not just in galleries, but in places like coffee shops, local businesses, and community centers. As an artist, I've exhibited my art in many places, and this might be controversial, but oftentimes my most favorite places to show my art wasn't at an art gallery, but instead a local business like a coffee shop. I'll tell you why in just a minute. Let's get started! The first step is finding the right venue. Think about places where people gather and enjoy spending time. Coffee shops, libraries, restaurants, and even offices can be great spots to showcase your art. As I mentioned, coffee shops are one of my favorite places to exhibit because I feel like it's just a more accessible place for people to see my art. It's a place they're already going to anyways, and they don't have to go out of their way to see my art, which means more people will likely see it. But of course, look for venues that align with your art style, vibe, and of course, most importantly, your target audience. Do your research. Look up and visit potential venues and observe their current decor and ambiance. Take note of the wall space, lighting, and how your art might fit in it. If it's not busy, introduce yourself to the staff and ask about their process for displaying local art. In my experience, most of the time they will either give you contact information for the manager, or you may get the chance to speak with the manager right then and there. If you're feeling a bit shy about this, you can always search online for local businesses that display art. A lot of the time they will have that information on their website if it's an active thing that they do. But of course, I highly recommend you go get out there in your community and find the place in person. Now, there are a few approaches you can take for this next step. This is what has worked for me in the past. If they give you contact information for the manager, you're going to want to prepare to send an email proposal. If the manager is available to speak with, you can use the proposal in the next step as a script and show them images of your art on your cell phone or tablet. Now, if you want to be extra professional, you can have a portfolio ready with high-quality photos of your work, descriptions, and any other relevant information like dimensions and medium. A well-organized portfolio makes a great impression and shows you're serious about your artwork. But if you don't have one yet, don't sweat it. Showing your art on a cell phone works too. Remember, most local businesses are going to be a lot more casual to approach than an art gallery. Now it's time to craft your proposal. Here's a basic email template you can use when reaching out to potential venues. Feel free to screenshot or save this video for future reference. Now this is just a template, so feel free to change it up a bit and put it in your voice if you feel it's necessary. After sending your proposal, follow up in a week or two if you haven't heard back. Building a relationship with the venue owner or manager is key. Be friendly, professional, and respectful of their time and space. And be sure to hammer out any details with the manager, including commission percentage and whether or not you plan on hosting an opening night if it's appropriate to the type of business it is. Once you've secured a venue, start prepping for the exhibit. Frame your artwork, create labels with titles and descriptions, and consider creating a price list if you're selling your pieces. Plan the layout and make sure your display is visually appealing. Promote your exhibit through social media, your website, and local community boards. Create eye-catching flyers and posters to help spread the word. You can easily design these for free using Canva, but the more you promote, the more visitors you'll attract. Depending on the type of business it is, you may want to consider hosting an opening night. On the day of the exhibit, arrive early to set up and make any final adjustments. Greet visitors, engage in conversations, and share the stories behind your artwork. Enjoy the experience and make the most of the exposure, including passing out your business cards and letting people know when your next exhibit is going to be. Exhibiting your art locally really is such a fantastic way to gain exposure and connect with your community. Remember, the key is perseverance and professionalism. If you'd like to learn more about other related art topics, check out this playlist here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe.